What's going on, guys? Today we are working on Pat's GSR swap Civic. So this is Patrick. I don't know if you remember him from the earlier videos. He hasn't been around in a while. And this is his Civic. He got it a few years ago and it ran really good for like the summer, and then he parked it for the winter. And the next year we could not get it to run. And we tried a whole bunch of stuff. It didn't have spark. It had something to do with the alarm system, I believe. We just never had time to, tear everything apart and get it working again. We started it up today, and it just started. So we have no idea what's going on exactly. The alarm won't stop going off though, and we can't disarm it. So we're gonna have to probably pull the alarm system out. We already pulled the actual siren out because we pulled that out last year to try to get it to run. But as you can see, it has a GSR swap. It's fully built. Full wire tuck. Obviously we got to do a lot of cleaning up on it now, but this car's gonna run good. Do you have anything to say about it, Patrick?
I wish I would have never let it sit forever.
Yeah, but honestly, dude, it wasn't just like something little keeping it from running. Well, actually now we don't know because it ran, but I still think it had something to do with the alarm system, and that's a pain in the butt. So we actually pulled apart some of this, and here's the alarm system right in here. So we got to trace all these wires into the harness here, see where they're going, and probably pull them out. We got to figure out what we're gonna do right now. All right, all we did literally is just unplug the alarm system, and it still runs and everything. So, well, at least it did.
Uh-oh, I didn't do that.
Battery light.
I spoke too soon.
No. Maybe that's why it wouldn't run. Maybe you do got some kind of like wiring issue. Because remember when it was dying at like Meyer and stuff?
Yeah, we had all those problems. You were like,
maybe you do have.
I called you when you were like already 20 minutes or like 15 minutes away, and you were like, okay, I'll come over.
Yeah. Do a little two-step. That sounds pretty good. This car sounds really good. I don't know, man. We're just peeling the wrap on these because he's not going with this color anymore. So, and Axel's here.
Oh, that's coming off good. Yeah, we sanded these too.
Yeah, we sanded the fenders too, which kind of sucks. Not really, the car looks like crap anyway. Yeah. All the peel and clear coat. You could power wash it at when we get to the car wash. Look at all the nasty bugs under this wheel. They were all crawling around, now they're not.
Oh, that's a spider.
Where?
Right there. It's a little tiny guy.
Oh, it's alright.
Oh, it's just coming right off. I was not expecting that.
I know.
Thought we were gonna have to like karate kick it.
No, it's good though. They weren't seized either when I undid them. Oh, it's not that nasty under there. It's so flat. Look at it. It ripped through the sidewall.
Hello?
That's completely shot.
I figured.
Alright, we switched over the plate because we're going to go for a little rip. I don't think the police will know the difference between a white 98 Civic and a white 96 Civic. Mine's a 98, Pat's is a 96, so I think we're all right there. Got my spare wheel on here. The rest of these should be okay. We should probably check the pressure in them, which we'll do. Yeah, that one looks a little low. We're gonna peel the wrap off the fenders and try to bolt them on We're gonna bolt these side skirts on. Get this thing actually good to drive down the road before we go wash it.
Trying to make some kind of battery tie down. Pretty legit.
Beautiful, that's gonna work. I'm over here trying to get these fenders on. I got some random hardware, 3 bolts on each side that'll work. I don't know if we're actually gonna pull this wrap off these right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all these down.
It's way different than plastic. No, not really.
This Pat complaining about peeling wrap. He started here for 0.5 seconds and then gave up. So fenders are staying blue for now. That's okay though.
Putting the bumper on with zip ties.
Yeah, putting the bumper on with zip ties. You got 3 bolts holding the fenders on. Doesn't care, man. Or it doesn't matter. We gotta rip this thing.
We're getting it ripping, not making it pretty.
Exactly. Is this lip plasti dipped? I think it is.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get putting the side skirts on. There you go.
Got 2 actual
Final
legit
piece.
clips.
Yeah.
Bam, dude, this thing's legit now.
Yeah. All right, now we can go rip it. We got the plate on it.
Let's go for a rip. Oh, make sure that closes.
Yeah, I'll show you the trick if you want.
Yeah, what's the trick?
We're checking the lights right now. All right. Yeah, they're all good. Yep, good. Good. Hang on, let me check the front. You don't have a single burnt out bulb.
Okay.
Good. Good. All right. Tech. Your air fuel ratio is not that bad. We tried to clean the windows, but the wipers are kind of broken. That's all right. It's so bad. It's like one of those video compilations of like satisfying things.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So we heard a loud noise, very loud noise, and pulled over. Oh my God, it's toast. Hanging on by the heat wrap, it just sheared off. Dude, it just sheared off. I don't understand how. That sounded so much worse than it actually was though.
That scared the hell out. I'm shaking still.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's cooling.
Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Alright. Hang on. Come on, come on, come on. It's coming back there. Alright, it's overheating a little bit, but we're gonna get it home. We're like a block away. Alright, so driving, it cooled off a little bit. It's still 3/4 of the way up, but we're almost back. And Pat thinks that when the intake broke off, it hit something and now it's leaking coolant. So we're just trying to get it back before it completely overheats. So he like welded this or something, the previous owner, and it looks like his weld broke. So just maybe the vibrations must have broke that, and then it hit down there and just ripped off and got stuck under the wheel. That's what that noise was. And then over here we found out the leak is just whatever this thing is. He plugged that with a vacuum cap, and the vacuum cap cracked, probably from the pressure, just from being old. For so long. Which we'll throw another one of those on there, and then this thing should be good to go. Try to get a coupler for this.
I bet you that's where I've been losing a little bit of coolant for a long time.
What's up, guys? I am back at home now. It's like 1:30 in the morning. About to go to bed, and I realized that I forgot to close out the video. We went back to Pat's house. We were gonna mess with his tune a little bit, but we didn't really get time. We just ended up hanging out watching YouTube videos. We're gonna work on the car more later. Obviously, you saw it runs and drives fine, and it's a little bit cleaned up now. But this is where I'm gonna call it for tonight. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Make sure that if you like the video, you actually like it. My channel's been pretty down lately, so anything that you can do helps. Subscribe to the channel if you don't mind, and thank you for watching. Peace out.